friends, today I'm back with another video for y'all. This is actually a part of the 6th lesson, the human circulatory system. And today we will discuss about blood groups and blood's components. First of all, let us take blood's components. Most of us consider blood as a red-colored fluid, but only 45% of blood is existed as liquid form. The rest is existed as a solid. As you can see here, corpuscles is the solid form of blood. Plasma is the liquid form of blood. Corpuscles can be divided into 3 groups: red blood cells or erythrocytes, white blood cells or leukocytes, and platelets. Plasma too can be divided into 3 main types. They are water, things soluble in water, and things insoluble in water. Let us consider the functions of the corpuscles. Red blood cells. There is a red color pigment in blood which is called hemoglobin. The main function of hemoglobin is carries oxygen from the lungs to the body cells and also gives blood its red color. White blood cells. White blood cells defend the body by destroying pathogens and producing antibodies. Some examples for white blood cells are eosinophils, basophils, neutrophils, and monocytes. Platelets. Platelets help in the clotting process of blood at a bleeding site. Now let us consider the function of plasma in common. The main function of plasma is transporting substances dissolved in it. Now let us consider the blood groups. There are 4 main blood groups, namely A, B, AB, and O. These 4 blood groups are necessary for blood transfusion. What is actually blood transfusion? The transfer of blood from one individual to another is called blood transfusion. When transferring blood, there are 2 factors should be considered. They are the RH factor and the compatibility of the blood groups of the donor and the recipient. Now let us consider how the blood is received by various blood groups. Blood group A can receive blood from A and O. Blood group B can receive blood from B and O. Blood group AB can receive blood from A, B, AB, and O. As blood group AB can receive blood from all the other 4 groups, it is called the universal recipient. Blood group O can receive blood only from blood group O. Next, let us consider how the blood is donated to various blood groups. Blood group A can donate blood to A and AB. Blood group B can donate blood to B and AB. Blood group AB can donate blood to blood group AB only. Blood group O can donate blood to A, B, AB, and O. Since blood group O can donate blood to all the other 4 groups, it is called the universal donor. Now let us consider the rhesus factor. If the rhesus factor is present in one's blood, it is called Rh positive. If the rhesus factor is absent in one's blood, it is called Rh negative. Due to the Rh factor, the blood groups have evolved. As you can see here, A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative, O positive, and O negative respectively. There is an effect on the rhesus factor when donating blood. As you can see in this table, the people who have Rh positive blood can receive from both Rh positive and Rh negative. But the people who have Rh negative blood can only receive from Rh negative. Now my friends, have you all ever heard about a thing called blood agglutination? Clumping of the transfused blood particles in the body of the recipient is called blood agglutination. Now my friends, Let us consider why blood agglutination occurs. It occurs when the blood groups of the donor and recipient are incompatible. So my friends, I hope you understood the lesson on blood groups and components in blood. I hope to see you in another video very soon. May God bless you all.